Hey there, and welcome to a unboxing video. So today we're going to be unboxing the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. The size of this one is the 42 mm, and this is the LTE version of the Classic watch. So this version allows me to answer calls directly from my phone without having to use Bluetooth. The version I got was the silver version. So let's go ahead and open up the box. In terms of sizing too, I know there's one size up from this in terms of the watch face, and I believe it's 46 mm. So when I open up the box, it comes with, other than the watch, it comes with this. So let's see what's in here. I think it's the charger. Oh. And instructions. Okay, so it comes with this. We'll just open it. Or just slide it right out. 5 hours later. Please hold for this commercial break as I struggle to open the case. Okay. Boom. So yeah, so that's the charger it comes with. Pretty compact, can fit in your purse. In terms of the watch, comes with this little manual. I'll read that later.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
So for the watch, let's open that one up. Take it out. The watch is heavy. It does feel heavy, but then again, I'm not really a watch person, so little disclosure there. The straps feel plasticky. I thought it'll be leather, but it has like it's soft though. It does have a soft feel to it, but it's definitely not leather. And for the price point, I thought maybe it would feel a bit more luxe, but either way, it feels good. Probably because of sweating too. There are no people are going to be working out in these watches, so maybe this type of material works better in that type of environment. So that's the face of the watch. One thing I could say is if you turn it sideways, you can see it's actually pretty thick. It has even it has the sensor part that actually pokes out a bit from underneath from the watch. So definitely looks like a heavy duty watch that can do some serious work here. So I'm just gonna put on the watch just so you can see how it fits on a wrist. I think my wrists are average size, so maybe even small. So this one is a 42 mm. I got a small size because I don't want the watch to look too big on my wrist. But let's see, just give me 2 seconds.
A few moments later.
And boom, we got the watch on. So I'll just slide it in here. So, looks like that. So I slide it on. And boom. What do you... YouTube world, what do you guys think? So, looks cute. One thing I can say, it kind of feels weird for me just because that bottom piece is kind of heavy. It's like pressing against my wrist. But then again, I just probably just have to get used to it because I don't really wear watches often. But that's how it looks. Pretty shiny. And so I'm going to read the manual to figure out how to work the dials and all that stuff. But the face you can definitely rotate, it looks like, left to right. Let's see if I can even turn it on. I think this is the button to turn it on. I want to read the manual first, but let's go ahead and see if we can turn it on. Boom. So I was pressing that top button here on the right side. I held that down for a bit to turn it on. Okay, so it's gonna take a while, so I'm gonna stop the video and come back. Okay, so after a couple of seconds, it brought me to the welcome screen, and so now I'm at this part here. I'm going to go read the manual, because I don't want to screw this up or make any boo-boos. So that's just me moving around, rotating the face of the watch. But yeah, so I just want to shoot this quick video just to give everyone out there an idea of how the watch looks. This is a 42 Galaxy Watch Classic. Comment below if you want me to actually come back 30 days later to let you know how the watch worked out, how it's been going. To see more videos like this and get more business tips on launching a online business. Hit the subscribe button and leave a comment below and say hey. Take care.